Hi, I'm Peter Sorofka from Cybus.
And I'm Wouter van Eetvelde from Waylay.
So we are announcing a partnership between Waylay and Cybus today, and I'm very excited about it. Wouter, can you just briefly explain what Waylay is doing?
Waylay offers a low-code platform to business experts, allowing them to turn their ideas quickly into revenue and the market.
So a low-code platform that fits perfectly to what Cybus is offering. So we can collect data in complex OT environments like factories, especially complex from an IT perspective. And then we can hand over the data to your platform, right?
Exactly, and that's what we appreciate about this cooperation with Cybus. It allows us to generate value in that IT OT world, especially in factories.
So what do you think, what specific type of customers should approach us?
Well, companies in the processing industry having a complex IT infrastructure and having a lot of new ideas to generate new value should definitely talk to us.
Totally agree. And I very much look forward to working with you.
Same here.